crazy, but time to get ready. It's like around 6 a.m. right now, and I need to leave at 7:30. So I'm gonna do my hair, the makeup, put on my outfit, and finish making my TikToks. So let's go. Okay, I finished curling my hair. It is 6:50. Time to do my makeup. I kind of need a rush now. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, my hair and makeup is done. I have my dress on. I feel so stressed. My mom can't find the tickets. It's okay. Everything's gonna work out how it's supposed to. Freaked out for a little bit, but the cap is on. I put it towards the back of my head because I do not want that over my forehead. It's gonna fuck up my makeup. But now we're leaving. Oh, and my skin is glistening. We're on our way to graduation. Everyone was on time. Appreciate it. It is 8:01 and we're getting there at 8:28, right when I need to be there.
Because I shaved 3 minutes off the time by almost hitting that dog walker.
What?
What? Near your house? That's grandma. Near your house.
Oh, I almost tripped. Thank you. I'm here. I made it and I'm about to graduate. I got my tassel. Oh, we need to fix that. And my cap is on, not on my forehead. See you inside. Thank you.
I feel so happy for you to graduate from San Jose in sociology. And in the next couple of years, you're going to get another graduation. And you're going to get another one if you like. If you're a brilliant lady, if you want all of this.
I think I'm done with school.
No, wait. Take another break, please.
I think I'm done with school.
No, you're never done. Look at me, 82. I'm still like this.
You're in school?
You're in school too.
You're lying.
Look
at him.
White thing, please.
Sleeping on my big day. Not allowed anymore. Okay. Guys, sociology girls.
We made it for life.
Des, Olivia, say hi to the vlog.
Students graduating have achieved a cumulative GPA of not less status. Please rise to be acknowledged. With all the attendant rights, responsibilities, and distinctions. Baccalaureate candidates, please move your tassels from the right to the left.
We're at Yard House right now. First stop before you go to El Guapo.
Oh my god!
I got a watermelon margarita.
Honey blonde.
Let's do a little taste test.
I'm just smelling.
Ooh, this is good.
Yeah, you want to look again? I think I'm gonna do that honey blonde. Yeah, that's good. That was the first one I did.
The soda water making come on.
Soda water will help kind of break that up, but not much.
Oh my god. Why am I 3 years old? I would like to know. This is a problem. Oh my god, you guys all good. Kyla, I don't think I'm saying that right.
One snack is
I feel 1 degree hotter.
That's what worked. Oh my gosh. Should we give a mirror
And
that
soda
many where we
water.
can see a mirror from that? We should
Is the hat. Like, you see that one's gone.
Literally gone. And
This one.
we get a whole orchestra for when you walk.
Oh my god, it's actually gone.
Oh, it's right here, right here.
Oh.
Are you recording?
I was like, there's nothing there.
But you can barely see it.
Yeah. We found the hack. Shout out to
Hey. Hard. It was great.
Look at
Big grad. Big grad.
Yeah.
PhD.
I'm just hyping.
Can I have a little cup of pineapple juice?
Now I'm understanding adulting is getting worse.
Is that pineapple?
Yeah. Oh, I'll share.
We'll share.
Always. Wait, how?
Okay.
How are you able to do that?
Thanks. Yeah. Thank you.
Oh my god. See, that's cheat code. That's not fair. Wow, they won't let us do that. I would love to do that.
Cheers.
All the.
Wait.
Cheers. I would love to pay rent with credit card. Credit would skyrocket.
Here we go. Guys.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. I did. I worked hard. Worked hard for it. Oh yeah, her too. That's
I
cool.
did all the work.
Yeah, Mom did all the work. That's you. Oh, you want credit card?
Yeah. No. Just say what you just I think I did.
Fair. You didn't have to.
I know.
You're just easily inception.
These phony ass niggas trying to see Compton.
I played this at breaks the other day. Yeah. Are we leave?
No. Mom, you keep recording. Just finished eating at El Guapo's, and I'm a little tipsy for sure.
You watch it.
I am a little tipsy. Look at my flowers that Sit got me. So cute. But now we're heading home, and my mom, my mother, and my older brother might be going to SJBG with me tonight. They're going with me to the club. Mom, no. To LA. We're going to Universal Studios tomorrow, but right now we're at the Getty and we're gonna take a little tour, but we're waiting for the tram to get back. So now we have to wait for it, and then we'll get on, and then I'll show you around because I've never been here. Huge. There's so many buildings. Like, I don't know how we're gonna be able to do it all in 3 hours, honestly. Like, right now we're walking to the West Pavilion. Let me show you. Seeing all the buildings at the Getty Center is just not possible for today, so we only saw one. But look at this view. Look at this view. It's so nice.
The view is insane. It's like 8 o'clock and we only have until from 8 to 9 to ride the Super Mario World because we got like early access to it. So we're running. If you're wondering what my favorite movie series is, it's Fast and Furious. I could watch that all day long. Oh, what? 2026? We just made it to Nintendo World and I feel so overstimulated. Look at this, y'all. We're about to ride our first ride.
arriving and we're gonna collect all the coins. Stop, Transformers. I do not remember the Mummy ride being like that. This shit is an actual roller coaster.
10-second roller coaster going backwards and forwards.
Bugs crawling up your legs and shit.
Your pretzel?
I sure did. I got a pretzel and some nacho cheese dip and some mustard on the side as well.
Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Can I have a pretzel then too?
Yes, that's a real commercial passenger plane that was not destroyed to make this set as authentic as possible.
At the part of the studio tour where we're taking pictures with all the pops. So right now there's Fast and Furious, Kong is over there, and Jaws is over there. And I love Fast and Furious, so I'm taking my picture with the cars. R.I.P. Paul Walker.
Okay. Where you guys from?
Bay Area.
Oh, the Bay Area? Yeah, I used to have a homegirl up there.
Oh, what was
Yeah,
her
before I
name?
was married. Oh, Shaniqua Brown. She's from Oaktown.
Are you Team Kendrick or Team Drake?
I'm Team Hendrick, yeah.
No, Team Kendrick.
Oh, Kendrick. I thought you said Team Hendrix. I'm Team Kendrick. I gotta go with Kendrick Lamar.
Okay.
All right, let me just check.
It's a video. Okay, let me take a picture. 'Cause I don't know how to do it.
The sun is coming out. We're about to ride the roller coaster. My eyes are hurting from the sun though. I'm like, it's shining bright. But at least it's not cold anymore.
Close the gates! Back! Keep a lookout!
Hello, it's been a minute since I talked to y'all. I think I was in LA the last time I was vlogging, but I am back home and it is Wednesday and my friends and I are going to the beach. So I'm waiting right now for Janae to pick me up and then we're gonna meet up with Olivia and head to the beach and chill. We're gonna make our summer bucket list. It's gonna be a vibe, see the sunset. I'm excited.
Janae's here and she brought all the arts and crafts with her.
Fully stocked in the back.
Now we're just waiting for Olivia. Oh my god, yeah. Our inner child is about to come out while we're
Period. I'm ready, girl.
It's about to be so wholesome.
I even brought a whiteboard so we can play Pictionary.
Or Hangman.
Hangman. I even got the whiteboard. Stop playing.
We made it to the beach. It's so nice, guys. The weather's actually perfect. Okay, we left the beach to get food. We got some pizza.
Let me get you a visual.
Let's see.
Oh, this is Kyla's. Buzz. That's Kyla's.
Wait, let's see. Let's see this one.
This one. Buzz. Not as good looking, but it tastes good. What's your favorite sandwich already?
She was eating in the car.
She already bust down in the car.
It was. I was down in the car, my fault. It's a little messy in there, but it's still good.
And we got some babies. You know, we had to get the buzzy.
Fucking drink.
Great vibes, bro. Great vibes.
Great bag, bro. Oh, I'm ready to.
I'm ready to bust down. I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, guys. Olivia wanted us to try these drinks. It's a Crown Royal peach tree. Let's try it.
Like, it's sweet tea. When I put you on, and Dad's gonna put you on, you tell them. Wait, no, it doesn't fit on that. It's so good.
God, bro, I was scared. I was